For this part of the JoeCo Cello review, I don't need to be on camera. I'm going to play a variety of recordings I made with the cello, along with Right Mark Audio Analyzer and Oblique Audio's round-trip latency utility test results. Mostly everything was recorded at the 96 kHz sample rate. The reason I had to change the projects to 44.1 kHz is because of clicks and pops during screen capture. However, native high sample rate FLAC files for many of these recordings will be made available for download. Links are in the description box. Let's get those clips rolling.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging round. You don't wanna hurt me, you don't wanna see my tears, so I used to stand there just watching me drown. And it's alright, I'll be fine, don't worry about this heart of mine. Just take your love and hit the road. There's nothing you can do but say you're gonna break my heart anyway. So just leave the pieces where you go. Leave the pieces where you go. You can drag out the heartache, baby, you can make it quick. Really get it over with and just let me move on. Don't concern yourself with this mess you left for